Hello everyone, welcome for another lesson of art therapy with Dr. Shivani Ketan, and we are doing affirmations and art journaling. So I hope you had fun doing your last lesson, which was I am enough. I have started posting my affirmations. I have done some little bit of artwork with some writing and everything to make them as videos which can be, clicked, and you can always use them for your library. So before we start our journey today with the art journaling and affirmation, so we'll do one activity again. So today question is take some time. I think you can take about 5 minutes before you do the art journaling. Um, Write down, at least try to write down 3 to 4 things. 3 से 4 चीज़ें ज़रूर लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए आप कि in coming 3 months, where do you see yourself? What are the things you see yourself doing? Um, what are the things are in your list that this is where I need to be, or this is where I want to be, or these are the things I need to finish or cover, or I have to do more learnings, or these are the areas I have to work on. So जो areas में आपको लग रहा है कि you need to do your work, you need to work on yourself, you need to work with people, you need to work on your behavior, you need to work physical skills, write that. Think about it. It's a very good question because I think we all need to do that for ourselves. One thing which I was doing for myself when I was thinking in 3 months where I need to be, I need to be definitely near people where I can come up with some system where I can start working on my mudita, because I really want to work with the senior citizens, give them some support. I know they cannot come out with the kind of scenarios. My venture, which we were thinking with Mudita, they cannot come very much outside now. So I'm trying to work something where we can work with them and only work with them in the terms of working with their mental health, working with their movement, um, art, and how we can uplift them. So most of my work now that I'm doing, which I planned to do with them, I'm doing with my mother, who is a dementia first stage patient, and I'm posting her videos. A lot of people are getting motivated by that. So I really want you all to see that and give us your feedback. It's on the page Mudita by Dr. Shivani Ketan, and so please do refer to others if you think there's any citizen we can help them out with. I can listen to them. I can do something live with them also to uplift them. So I'm trying to come up with something like that, which in 3 months I think I need to come up with something like that, and we will be able to do that. So that was my little bit about it. So today, the affirmation now. Once you've written what all are the things that you need to be in coming 3 months, then let's go back to our art journaling and affirmations. So today, affirmation that I've come up with is I am worthy of my dreams and goals. I'll repeat, I am worthy of my dreams and goals. So it is very, very important that you recognize your own values, what you are amazing at, so that you stop comparing yourself other people, because it's very important. If I'm not comparing myself, I'm not going to compare my siblings, I'm not going to compare my children, I'm not going to compare how I am. So the self-talk that you do to yourself is the self-talk that you do with your best friend, because you don't tell your best friend you are like this, you're like that, तुम्हारा ये खराब है, तुम ये ऐसे हो. No, you tell your best friend you're fantastic, I'm so glad you're with me, I'm so glad you believed in me. I have very amazing best friends, which I keep telling, thank you for doing that to me. So you have to start talking to yourself as if you are your own best friend, and that is when your self-talk will become positive, and the way you compare yourself will be like, no, why do I have to compare myself? I'm unique, I'm enough. That is the affirmations we have been working on. So you understand now the journey that I'm doing with you. So you already worked on I'm enough. When you say I'm enough, that means you're not comparing yourself with others. You're very happy the way you are. You are learning to love yourself and you love yourself. So, very amazing thing that I just looked upon a few days back. I thought I can share it with you today when I'm speaking to you on this is about this documentary I saw where there was this Snoop Doggy was given this Hall of Fame uh, thing he was given, and he ended up thanking the most important person in his life, and he kept on saying, "I'm so," and he was saying, "Thank you for me believing in me," you know. So he was trying to say that I sure have to give myself credit because I was motivating myself. I was motivating myself to be there every day. I was motivating myself to get up every day. I was motivating myself that I don't have to take a day off. So I need to thank myself for to be where I'm today, to get this award for from Hollywood Hall of Fame. So I'm very thankful for myself in believing in myself. I was so touched by that. I was like, wow. Especially when you go for these award functions and you see them on the screens, people end up thanking so many people, but they end up not thinking that it was their effort. Yes, you had a mentor, you had parents, you had friends, you had someone who believed in, someone, a trainer who was training you, but end of the day, it was you. You know, you got up. You said it's Sunday, but I'm not going to enjoy that Sunday. I'm going to go and work hard. So thank yourself for believing in yourself. So today, this affirmation, I am worthy of my dreams and goals. If you feel you're worthy, you will achieve them. So this is what the journey is all about. I hope you have fun doing this exercise. I had fun finding this exercise for you, and the journey is going on. And this is the lesson 5. So tomorrow I'll be back for another one. So I hope you have a great day. Namaskar.